Homemade borax ant bait can be safe around sensitive electronics if you place and handle it with strict precautions to avoid any contact with devices. Borax is a powder that kills ants when ingested but is conductive when moist and abrasive if it migrates into vents or connectors, so use only dry, well-contained bait stations placed away from any heat vents, power strips, outlets, or appliance seams. Make bait by mixing borax with a sweet carrier like sugar water or syrup, but keep the final mixture in a sealed dispenser that allows ants access while preventing spills and dust release. A shallow container with a small opening or commercial bait station works best. Avoid spraying or applying loose powder near electronics because humidity, condensation, or accidental liquid carriers can turn powder into a paste that conducts or corrodes contacts. When treating areas near sensitive equipment, power down and unplug devices first if you must work in close quarters, and wipe any accidental residue with a dry brush and isopropyl alcohol applied to a lint-free cloth. Store borax in its original container or a tightly closing plastic jar and label it clearly, and keep it on shelves above ground level to prevent accidental kicks or knocks that might send particles toward appliances. If you prefer zero risk, use non-chemical barriers and ant exclusion methods, such as sealing entry points with silicone caulk and keeping food crumbs and moisture under control. Common mistakes include placing bait directly on or inside appliance crevices, where vibration or airflow will disperse powder, which you can prevent by using enclosed bait stations and keeping bait at least 2 feet away from any device. Another issue is using wet or overly syrupy carriers that seep into electronics when spilled, so use minimal liquid, let bait thicken to a paste before placing it in a station, or use dry granular bait formulations. A third frequent problem is ignoring housekeeping factors that attract ants in the first place. Reduce attractants by cleaning food residue, storing perishables in sealed containers, and repairing leaks so you do not rely solely on chemical control. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips about safe pest control around electronics. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners seeking advice and services.